1. Listen and repeat these sentences. Pay attention to the stressed words with the mark, apostrophe, before the stressed syllables.
1. If you can identify your differences with your parents, you can have a good relationship.
2. You should be respectful when discussing any areas of disagreement.
3. Take time to listen to your parents' opinions and ask them to listen to yours.
4. Being rude to your parents won't convince them you're right. This can have the opposite effect.
5. How can parents support their children through the bad times?
2. Are the words in bold stressed or unstressed? Listen and check. Practice reading the conversations in pairs.
1.
When did you start to help your parents with housework?
I don't remember exactly when I started to help them. Perhaps at the age of 5 or 6. 2.
These shoes look really cool. Would you like to try them on?
No, I don't like them. I like those over there. 3.
Do you think parents are the best teachers?
Yes, I do. They are more mature and experienced, so they will always give us the best advice.